Welcome to this FX Empire review of FXCM, a broker that was founded in 1999 and as a Leucadia Company, which is the former name of Jefferies Financial Group Inc. The broker is regulated by the UK Financial Conduct Authority under the name of Forex Capital Markets Limited, as can be confirmed on the FCA register here, Forex Capital Limited. And as we scroll down, you can actually see the website FXCM.com. The broker offers the ability to trade on multiple asset classes, including Forex pairs, cryptos, stock indices, oil and gold. And if we click on trading here, you can actually see the different trading accounts that are offered. They offer CFD trading, spread betting accounts, specialized accounts for active traders, professional clients, and actually institutional clients as well. They also have multiple platforms available, such as Trading Station, which is their own proprietary in-house feature-rich platform, which we'll be covering in more detail later on in this review, as well as MetaTrader 4, NinjaTrader, Zulu Trade, TradingView, and other specialty platforms. The broker offers useful information on their website regarding spread cost for the different types of accounts. As we actually scroll down, we can see here there's a list of spread betting average spread cost for different currency pairs here, with euro yen at 2 pips, we have euro dollar 0.7 pips. As we scroll down as well, they also offer average spread cost for their forex trading accounts as well. And as we scroll even further down, we can see they also provide CFD average spread costs as well for the different indices, commodities, and cryptos that are available to trade with. The broker's own proprietary Trading Station platform is available to trade on via Mac, Android, and iOS, as well as a web browser platform. And this is the version we'll be looking at a little bit later on. And as we scroll down, you can see that it is feature rich with lots of different trading features such as news, calendar, education, research. You can store your profiles and chart settings on the FXCM cloud. And they also offer trading analytics as well. As we scroll down, they also offer the Trading Station mobile platform, which we'll also be running through later on in this video review, as well as a desktop Trading Station platform as well. Under the broker's market tabs, it offers product details for the different products available, such as Forex, Forex Baskets, Indices, Commodities, Crypto, and Crypto Major. They also have trading details of spread costs, which we just looked at, leverage and margin information, as well as their execution policy. If we scroll down here on their Forex page, it just provides good educational research in regards to the market, where you can learn more about foreign exchange trading, why people trade foreign exchange, the different currency pairs that are available to trade with via FXCM, and a symbol guide here as well. So quite useful information for beginner traders as well, and lots of links there to profit calculators, pip calculators, margin calculators, pivot point calculators as well. So great resources there available for traders. And you can actually see here average low spreads for the euro dollar 1.3 pips and pound dollar 2 pips, depending on the type of account that is opened. The broker also offers a news portal covering global market news. And as we scroll down, we can see here there's analysis on US dollar against the South African rand. There's analysis here on euro dollar from investment banks, indices. So, a wide variety of different global market news is covered. FXCM also provide online forex trading courses and live market updates. If you click on the knowledge tab, you can actually see here they've got a free online live classroom, as well as live forex charts, market news, which we just looked at, an economic calendar, as well as other tools which we'll look at in a moment. And as we scroll down here, we can actually see there's quite a few different webinars available for traders to view, covering different sessions, the DAX Open, the London Open, the US Open, and webinars about cryptos. And as we scroll down here, there's a different market news here as well, where you can actually register for those classes. The broker also provides FXCM Plus, which is basically a set of trading tools to help maximize your trading experience. This includes trading signals, a technical analyzer, as well as trading analytics. They also offer FXCM apps, which is an online marketplace where you can actually customize your trading experience, and you can download apps for news, trend, and range-based indicators and strategies. And if we scroll down here, you can actually see the variety of different apps that are available to use within the FXCM trading platform. These include customized indicators, scripts and add-ons, and just standalone apps as well. So quite useful as well. And there's lots of EAs available as well for MetaTrader 4 traders looking to trade automated algorithmic trading strategies. FXCM also provide live customer support 24 hours a day, 5 days a week. And as we can see here on the support page, there's a variety of ways to actually contact the broker. And you can actually see here they have SMS messaging, email, customer service telephone numbers, a live web chat, trading desk, and a list of their international offices. And if you scroll down, all the different numbers for international free throw numbers depending on where you are in the world. We'll go ahead and click on the live web chat and test out the functionality. To start the live web chat, you just need to fill out this form with name, email, and details regarding your account if you have one or not. So we'll go ahead and do that and see how long it takes to connect to an agent. So after asking the question, do you offer demo trading account, I was connected to an agent within about 5 seconds, and this agent has been very responsive, answering the question literally within 10 seconds. So very fast, very efficient live chat functionality. Now let's have a look at the FXCM Trading Station web platform. So here we have an FXCM demo account for the TradeStation web platform. As you can see here, nice looking, feature rich HTML5 images. We've got trading tickets here on the left hand side. We've got account details here on the top right, and a nice chart here on the bottom right. There's a lot of functionality here on the top left as well, and you can actually see you've got access to click on trading tickets, and you can actually use a variety of multiple trading orders. So you've got entry orders here, complex OCOs, contingent orders as well. So a large selection there for complex order placement. There's also a subscription list in terms of the markets that you're looking at, and you can see the wide variety of markets that are available to trade with. So if we click on, Forex, you can see here all the Forex majors, and you can also see the minors that are available to trade with, plus the exotics as well. You can also see the index CFDs that are available to trade with as well. The commodity CFDs covering metals and energies and other commodities, as well as the cryptocurrency CFDs here as well. Now, you can actually add this to your subscribe symbols, which will then come up on your watch list behind this. You can also add on different widgets to your layout here, which can be customized by clicking on this button here. You can have a beginner layout, basic layout, chart focus layout, active trader layout, or news trader layout. So you can actually change your layouts, and you can save them into the FXCM cloud as well. So quite useful information there. So you can add widgets, so you can customize your workspace with market data signals, economic calendar, news. You can also adjust settings as well, so general trading settings, such as how you can view things. You've got general options here as well, chart view options. You've got table mode options, line options, Fibonacci options, entry order options. So lots of different customizations are available in the settings tab. You can also get reports as well of your trading activity. You can change the language as well as adjust your trading settings. And there's also access to research, education, market data, and also a live chat. And all of those open in a new web browser. So if we look at the back here, we can also see there's some new, trading signals here as well from Trading Central. We can click on this, and you can actually see there some rationale in terms of what the potential trade could be. And then you also have trading tickets here on the left hand side and the chart here on the right hand side. And standard features of the chart, you can select between bid and ask levels as well. Okay, in terms of the price that you're viewing, you can adjust the chart construct, candlesticks, chart line, chart bar, chart table. Okay, so there's lots of different customizations available here. You can add different indicators on as well, so all the different types of moving averages and oscillators and support resistance, volume indicators as well. So lots of indicators available to plot onto the chart. And there's other options as well. You can add price overlays. You can save the chart. You can click on Trading Central and look at the Trading Central levels here as well. So lots of customizations. On the left hand side, you've got your standard drawing tools where you can put on lines and horizontal lines. You've also got Fibonacci levels you can put on, as well as different other drawing tools as well. So to place a trade, you can either right click in the chart and click create market order or create entry order. You can also go to one of these trading tickets at the top, and then you can actually look to customize and look to buy and sell on your trading tickets, or you can click on this and you can detach the trading ticket as well. So in this instance, we can click on this, for example, and it will create a market order, and you can actually change your unit size. So the pounds per points here you can change. You can change the symbol that you're trading here as well. You can also click on advanced, and you can actually put stop losses and limit orders in before you take a trade, or you can place an order, at market or a market range, and select time in force. In this instance, I'm just going to click on this, and that's actually quite useful because you can see here it tells you the margin that it will use for your trade, as well as the commissions, if there are any commissions available, which right now there's 0. So if we click on OK, you can actually see that trade has now been placed, and you can actually see where that entry is, and you can click on it and you can have some customizations of it, and close the position if you want to do so. You can actually see the open position here in the top right, and you can actually from here add a stop loss in. So you click on stop, for example, and then you can add in either the rates, or you can do it in pips as well, how many pips away you actually want the stop loss to be, and it will tell you your total profit and loss here in terms of your stop loss, minus 18. So you can press OK, and you can actually see that stop loss has now been placed on the chart just at the bottom here, below the entry. You can also put in a trading stop loss there with the stop move, or you can put on the limit order, and we can select a limit order. Again, we can either put the exchange rate in, or we can click pips, and then we can just drag it up to whichever price level suits you. We can press OK, and now you can see the limit order is there. And so we've got the entry price, stop loss, and target. So just a quick demonstration there. So quite simple to use, with the trading tickets here on the left hand side, knowing what your margin is and the commission is as well, if it's applicable. And you can simply either click on open positions here, and you can edit the trade, so close positions, close all positions, and I'll just go ahead and close this position here, and it'll ask you to confirm that. You can press OK, and then that'll be in your closed positions here, and you can actually see the many commissions you played, and the profit and loss of the trade. So, really useful and simple to use functionality with this FXCM Trading Station web platform. Now let's have a look at the Trading Station mobile app. So here we have an FXCM demo account for the FXCM Trading Station mobile app for Android, which is also available on iOS. As we can see here, if we click the menu icon, there's lots of functionality in terms of depositing funds, applying for an account, looking at statement reports, settings as well. And if we go here, we can actually see a wide variety of different markets that are available to trade with. And as we scroll down, all the different currencies, and also a lot of different indices available as well. And if we actually click on one of these markets, we can simply click on Euro Dollar, for example, and this opens up a trading ticket with a chart at the bottom. The chart has different customizations available. You can click on the icon here, and you can change the chart construct from candlesticks, bars, and line. You can change from bid to Rs. You can maximize the chart as well. You can also add on different indicators as well, as you can see here, indicators, trend lines, Fibonacci, and shapes. So lots of different indicators available to actually plot on the mobile trading app available here. We can also change the different time frames at the bottom. Right now is a 5-minute chart. We can click on a 1-hour chart. And from here we can actually also set a trade. So in this instance, we can either buy or sell at market. We can use entry orders or OCO orders. And I'm just going to click on buy here just as an example. And this pops up with a trading ticket, and we can adjust the amounts. So 1,000, 2,000, and so on. Let's just keep it at 1,000. We can change what we want to do, sell or buy. You can actually see here the used margin and the per pip value. You can choose order type. I'm just going to use at market here. You can use time in force as well. You can also add in limits and stop losses as well, which is quite useful. So you can add on a limit to your trade, which is essentially your target levels if you're going long, And you can also add on different stop loss as well. Okay, you can also do that in pips and see how many pips away it is. So we can click on submit, and that order confirmation has now gone through. Okay, then we can go to open positions, and we can actually see that now this is an open position waiting to be either exited manually or to hit the stop loss or take profit if you actually put one in. So you can see the open profit and loss there, and if I click on this here, it gives me some options to either edit the stop loss and limit, which you can actually see where it is placed in the chart, so that's really nice to see. You can also close the trade here as well, and click on close, and this will confirm that, and you can adjust any parameters if you need to, and just click on submit. So now we can click on closed positions, and we can actually see that in our closed positions. There's also some functionality here at the bottom. Okay, you see the different orders, you can see research as well, so different news articles here as well. So really simple to use mobile trading app here from the FXCM trading station. So that really wraps up this FX Empire review of FXCM. We hope you found it to be of value, and we wish you all the best in your trading.